We all have those nights when the lure of the takeout menu is calling, but this dish will taste even better. It's a sweet and sour chicken that tastes like your favorite restaurant, but it's made in your own kitchen in under an hour. The amazing Tara Bench is joining me through the screen with all of the details, making us good and hungry well before lunch. Tara, so good to see you. How are you, friend?
Great to see you too. I'm so good. It's good to pipe in and see you this way.
We love it. We love it. I'm cracking up because my little Penny, about to turn 2 in the next month, her new favorite menu item she's asking for is Shosh, Tara, which is actually just the bare natural nuggets heated up in the air fryer with a little bit of orange sauce. You're going to do us one better. How easy is this to recreate, this Chinese dish at home?
It's really easy, and most of the things you can see right here for that special sauce.
Shosh, yeah.
Yes, you say it correctly. Yeah,
I got 2-year-old practice.
It's in your pantry. It's in your fridge. You know the door of the fridge with all the condiments?
Yes.
You've probably got everything in it. So I'm going to walk you through the sauce because that's the way you start. So you start with a little rice wine vinegar and soy sauce. This all goes in a saucepan with some sugar. There's some great sweet, part of the sweet and sour. Some cornstarch, because that's how we thicken our sauce. Some sesame oil, garlic. I just minced a clove of garlic. And then one of my secret sauce parts is ketchup. Because ketchup already has a lot of flavor. So we're just gonna put a little
you do have a lot of
in.
flavors going on in there. That's a lot. That's a party in a pot.
I know, right? They're easy though. A little hoisin sauce. Have you ever heard of hoisin sauce? It's kind of like a Chinese ketchup is what we call it.
Chinese ketchup. Hopefully no one's offended by that, but good explanation.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We say it. It's really not, but you know. And then a little Worcestershire, because Worcestershire sauce, if you can say that 10 times fast.
I can't. I'll stick to Sosh.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. It adds a little umami, just like that soy sauce and our other flavors in here. And look at that. I'm just whisking this up.
Yes.
Now you're going to put that on the stovetop. You're going to whisk it until it turns translucent. And the cornstarch will thicken that sauce and turn it to this glossy orange-ish red sauce that we're going to use in a minute.
So it'll go translucent and then thicken. How are we prepping the chicken that it's going to go atop?
So the chicken's easy, and I'm going to show you a couple ways to add a little more flavor to that chicken. I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of kosher salt to my cubes of chicken that I've just chopped up. A little cornstarch, that's what's going to make it nice and crispy. And a little rice wine vinegar. Again, that rice wine vinegar is some of our sweet and sour flavor that we get in our recipe. Now, once I toss this chicken and I get it nice and coated in that cornstarch, because again, that cornstarch is going to give us a nice crispy crust. Then I'm going to saute it in a skillet. Now that chicken is what we do first. And I just use a large skillet. You can use a Dutch oven, whatever you want. And I've crisped this chicken nicely. And then the next step is to take the chicken out of the pan. I know, sounds crazy. And this is not piping hot because I did it a minute ago. But that chicken's going to be nice and hot. And then you're going to have extra oil in that pan. Take some of that oil out. Add your peppers and onions. And I know, my classic flavor is the red bell pepper, green bell pepper. And just a yellow onion. And you can see that I cut it into similar size pieces.
But it's picking up all the flavor and using the leftover oil from the pan. Smart girl.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, I love it. So you'll saute that until you're just crisp tender. You know, that bright, crispy vegetable tenderness. And then you'll add your pineapple.
Oh, look at
You're going to add your chicken
and then the sauce.
And then the sauce, right?
Oh, Tara, this looks amazing. And you've stepped it out so nicely there in your home kitchen. Thank you so much. Recipe available on our website, a delicious at-home takeout-inspired meal that the whole family will love. I can't wait to make this. Penny Girl's going to lick the plate. Tara, where can we get more recipes from you?
TaraTeaspoon.com is my website, and that's where this recipe will live. And then also I have a couple of cookbooks that you can find online anywhere.
Yes, you do. They're beautiful. Tara Teaspoon should have a place in your kitchen. Her book should at least. Thank you for inspiring us. We appreciate it.
Good to see you.
You too.